Join me as I spend one night in the Landmar Playa La Arena in Tenerife. Now, you're going to see everything in this video. We're going to show you this amazing hotel, and I tell you what, it is huge. Situated in the sleepy town of Playa La Arena, near to Los Gigantes in Tenerife, this place has it all. It's ideal for all ages with a slide and a family area, an adults only area and platinum upgrades as well. In this video I'm going to show you the rooms, I'm going to show you the pools, and I'm going to show you exactly what I had for dinner. And I tell you what, the food was incredible, and stand by because I am going to eat a hell of a lot. You're going to see amazing views from this hotel as well. But without further ado, let's head into reception. Let's go and get the keys for my one night stay here at the Landmar Playa La Arena. Let's get in that glass elevator and let me show you the room and everything about this hotel. Come on, let's go. Well, here we are in the corridor. Can you hear that? Deadly silence. It's super quiet and peaceful. I've got the key, and as always, I'm going to show you the room first. So you're going to get first impressions of the room. Let's go. Come on. So here we are. We're room 115. Let's get in and have a look. Straight in. Key in the special place to make the lights turn on, and here we go. So, first impressions, very, very bright. Wow, lovely, look at this. Nice big bed. Really nice. I love the colour scheme. Beautiful, very light. Really nice sofa area here. And nice TV. Coffee making facilities, little desk. Let's have a look in that fridge, see what they've got on offer. Probably just a fridge. Yep, just a fridge, but very useful just to keep a couple of bottles of water in. And of course, you got your tea and coffee making facilities there. Very, very nice. Now I'm going to show you outside in a minute, but let's have a little sneaky peek at the bathroom first. Look at that. Beautiful. That looks really nice, really comfortable. Let's go see the bathroom. So bathroom, just on the left here. Very nice. Basic but nice. Hairdryer for the ladies. I don't think I'm going to need that. Now here you've got a shower. Very small shower, but again, let's face it, a shower's a shower. And what's different here is you've got a bath as well. Oh, with a shower. So you've actually got two showers, which is useful if you both want to get ready at the same time. So I can see outside. Let's go and see what's out on the balcony. So here we go. Now we haven't got a pool view, unfortunately. In fact, we haven't got a very nice view at all. But if you ignore that bit in the car park, there's some beautiful mountain views up there. That'll do me. Still nice to wake up and look up there. And let's face it, with a sea view, you can deal with the first impressions. Plenty of room as well on the terrace, table and chairs, lots of room. I can't complain at that, can I? Now, I don't know about you, but when I arrive at a new hotel, I like to go for a little walk and get my bearings. And I love all the plants cascading around the corridors. In the main reception as well, there's this beautiful water feature, and it is just huge with the light beaming through the ceiling. Loads of places as well to just chill out, sit down and relax. No time for me to relax. I had to have a look around and have a few goes on the glass elevator as well. But outside, the views are stunning. Loads of different areas where you can sit, enjoy a drink and just overlook the sea views of Playa La Arena. Look at that. And this gives you an idea of just how big this hotel is. I tell you what, Tenerife has got some massive hotels. On the lower level is another beautiful water feature and a botanical gardens. And here also you have the restaurant
restaurant, you have an entertainment lounge, and it leads out to the main pool area. Look at that beautiful blue sky and sun beaming through those windows. Now I am going to show you the pool a little bit later on, but it's busy in the afternoon, so I'm going to have a little nose around, have a look at the surrounding areas, and maybe you can join me for dinner.
Good evening. Well, it's time for dinner at the Landmar, and of course I'm going to take you guys with me. But I've been here all day. I've chilled a little bit today. However, I did go for a walk, which ended up as a drive, and you'll see the video if I've not already posted it. It's very, very funny. Basically, I got lost in Los Gigantes. Crazy place, but it's nice. It's nice. Now, the weather has been amazing today. It's been 29 degrees. Look at me. I'm getting a little bit of sun. All this walking, so I'm looking forward to dinner. I'm actually very hungry, but I am so tired now. This is the last hotel before Mrs. TravelON and the boys arrive tomorrow, and then I'm going to chill for the weekend. But I am going to do some videos, of course, because why not? I'm here. But do you fancy dinner? Are you feeling hungry? Another buffet for me. Let's hope this is a good one. The hotel itself is great. It's very, very big. I've just sort of got my bearings and sort of had a look around, and I'm going to show you everything. I've filmed a little bit around the pool, and tomorrow morning I'll get up nice and early and get a good clean look of everything around the pool. I'm also going to see if I can sneak in to the premium level, because it looks amazing with an infinity pool. So I'm going to hop over the wall and see if I can get a little video of that just for you guys. But anyway, it's time for dinner. I hope you're hungry. Let's go. Come on.
No need to wait until morning. This place was spotlessly clean by 7 o'clock on the evening. So before dinner, I had a little look around. Look at this pool. It's quite honestly the deepest blue I have ever seen. It is beautiful. And there's a slide there for the kids as well. This is the main pool. This was the busiest pool, and this was definitely the noisiest pool as well. But there is more. If you want to chill out, there was another pool a little bit further down, loads of sunbeds available, and just look at the views. So peaceful in this area here. Just a beautiful little pool to sit down, lie down, get that sun, and just let the world slip away. Absolutely gorgeous, and with all the rooms overlooking the pools, each room has an incredible view. Did say I was going to have a look at the adults only platinum upgrade with its own jacuzzi, its infinity pool, and views to absolutely die for. Now this is an upgrade, so if you do want that VIP treatment, you want to be in a peaceful area, then this is where you'll be if you upgrade. But anyway, I've got to get off for dinner, so let's go and have a look at the restaurant at the Landmar. This restaurant is huge, and it's open for breakfast, lunch and dinner. It's super bright, it's super modern, and you can choose to sit inside and eat, or if you want to, you can take your plate out onto the beautiful terrace. Out here you had some gorgeous chairs and tables overlooking the pool area, and I tell you what, it certainly is one of the best places to eat your dinner. Anyway, enough of that, it's time to eat, and look at this food. It was a special night tonight. It was a teriyaki night, and look at this. I was so excited to get stuck in. The presentation of the food was incredible, and you wait to see exactly what was on offer here. I've never seen such a great selection. Loads of salad and sauces and different things, and pastas to try for your starters. Lots of fresh bread as well, which is always good in a hotel to have the little rolls and the soft fresh bread with your evening meal. I always like a nice cheese platter as well, and as cheese platters go, there was plenty of different cheeses on offer here at the Landmar. But anyway, let's get our food and let's get stuck in to dinner.
I am super excited with dinner here at the Landmar. Now, the restaurant is absolutely massive. It's huge. It's huge. It's the biggest restaurant that I've been to on this tour. And you can choose to eat inside, or you can choose to eat outside on the terrace, and there's actually a separate bit for the platinum guests as well, but the views are still the same. So out on the terrace you can look over the pool. Now I've come right in the corner, out the way of everybody, and I'm super excited because it's teriyaki night. I don't even know how to say it, but I have got a concoction here. Now the only downfall is on the teriyaki section, the plates were really small. I should have just gone and got a big one, but I have got everything here. So we've got some pork, black pork, plenty of prawns. Look at that. I love prawns. I'm a massive prawns fan. Now I did sort of ruin the presentation of my plate with these noodles, and we're going to give it a go and see if we can eat them on this video without me getting it all over this. So we'll give it a try. That is delicious. Now my favourite food is Chinese food, and my favourite type of Chinese food, well, is a Chinese buffet. So this is heaven for me. We've got some more sort of, I think that's a beef, teriyaki beef there. If I can manage it, I'm going to go back for more of that. So let's see. Well, there you go, another look at the plate. I'm going to get this down me. I'll be back for plate 2.
Main meals here and the hot food was incredible. There was so much to choose from, and the portion sizes here were epic. It was your typical hotel food and different dishes, but there were some really unusual things as well, which I've never seen, and you're going to see those in just a couple of minutes. But there was so much to choose from, and what I liked about this place was it had the show cooking. The staff were super friendly, and I loved the chefs. They were really, really nice, and they cook everything fresh for you so you can see exactly what you're eating. But let's get stuck into the mains.
Okay, plate 2, and I'm going to give you a warning now. If you're a vegetarian or vegan, please skip, because I cannot believe what I've got on my plate. Look at this. Now, we've got some duck, we've got some suckling pig, because it's a Chinese night, I believe, here, or teriyaki night. We've got some spring rolls and noodles. I mean, that is massive. Just look at the size of that piece of meat. And that was one serving. I don't know who is going to be eating all that. Well, me for one. But this is not going to please my mother, because she goes mad if I'm eating duck. And if I tell her I'm eating suckling pig as well, it'll be game over. So hopefully she isn't watching this video. But I don't know where to start. What should we do first? I'm going to play it safe and just have a little try of the spring roll. I'm going to come back to that afterwards, but just to show you. Let's go for the duck. Oh my gosh. Falling off the bone. Look at that. That is super tender, super soft, melt in the mouth, and cooked to perfection. I had to add some chips as well. Very chippy. Right, let's get stuck in to this huge piece of suckling pig. Now, I'd have thought they'd have cut these into smaller pieces, but there is a bit of bone on there. There's quite a bit of bone. But let me get into it. I just want to pick it up and bite it, to be honest. But I'm not an animal. No, I am. Look at that. Cooked to perfection, super soft, really tender, melt in the mouth. And for hotel food, guys, I mean, that's really, really good. So I'm going to get this down me, and I definitely am going to go for a plate number 3, possibly a plate number 4, and then we'll have to have a look at the desserts as well.
I have to confess, I completely overdid it. I ate too much. This was plate number 3. There was so much on here. Everything from fish to rice, you name it, I ate it. I had to take a few deep breaths, and I had to reflect and have a word with myself and just think exactly what I was doing. Because I don't know about you, but do you overdo it at a hotel buffet like me?
So do I go for a plate number 4? I'm actually really hungry tonight. And being as this is the last one, I might overindulge. But do you guys ever do this? Now I'm thinking, plate number 4, I might go back to the starters, the teriyaki starters. But I do that sometimes when I go for a Chinese buffet. If I've just about got enough room to plough back in, but I haven't got enough room for another main plate, I'll just go back to the starters. So they're sort of starters and finishers, aren't they? So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to bowl back over, get a few more of the teriyaki starters. I'll see if there's anything I've missed, and then we'll see if we've got room for dessert.
Of course, I went back for starters, but the guilt had kicked in, so I thought, why not? I'm going to go and get dessert. And I tell you what, there was so much to choose from. Look at these cakes. They were absolutely beautiful. There was a lot of fruit as well, but I'd already eaten too much, so I thought, well, you've gone past the point of no return. Just get the cakes, get the good stuff, and get it down here. Look at this for a dessert spread. Absolutely beautiful. Let's have a look.
Oh no, oh no, oh no. It's game over. Now I've really gone to town on the desserts. Because it's the last one, because I feel like I've let you down in the past videos. I've gone mental. We've gone chocolate brownie, we've gone rhubarb crumble, chocolate cake, some other lemony thing, but I've kept it healthy with a couple of grapes. So you can't be that bad, can you? Right, let's go. Lemon cake, full of cream. This is going to put me in a coma, but I am having an early night tonight. Let's try the chocolate brownie. Excuse the fingers. Oh wow. And another favourite of mine, which I can't use fingers for, is a bit of rhubarb crumble. Whatever happened to rhubarb? My nan used to always make rhubarb. There was rhubarb all around, wasn't there, back when I was a kid? Whatever happened to rhubarb? If anybody knows what's happened to rhubarb, let me know. Do they sell it in England still? They definitely don't sell it over here in the Canaries. It's beautiful. And last but not least, this chocolate dream for any chocolate lover. Wow. It's creamy, it's chocolate, and it's super bad for you. But anyway, that was dinner at the Landmar, Playa, La Arena. I'm going to see you for breakfast. I'm off for a sleep. I don't know about anything else. I'll see you in the morning, and I'll see you for breakfast.